Autel MaxiSYS MS906 PRO2 TS scanner, ECU-coding, TPMS, and real bidirectional proof. Picture this. A customer drops their vehicle off first thing Monday morning, your lift is full, 3 more are waiting, and your current scanner just stalls on the VIN read. Again. That familiar tightening in your chest sets in because you know this will eat 40 minutes minimum before any real diagnostic work even begins. And here is the thing. It is not just the lost time. It is the quiet frustration of knowing your tool should be faster, smarter, and more capable than it actually is. Missed resets, incomplete TPMS relearns, ECU functions locked behind dealer-only access. Every gap costs you money, credibility, and customer trust. If you have felt that pressure building in a busy bay, you already know exactly what this conversation is about. And it compounds. One incomplete scan leads to a comeback appointment. A TPMS sensor you could not program sends the customer to a dealership, and that relationship quietly disappears. You spend time jumping between tools because no single device covers everything you need, and each workaround adds friction to a day that was already stretched thin. Let me explain what that really costs over a month. It is not just billable hours lost on slow scans. It is the mental weight of knowing certain makes and newer protocols, like DOIP and CAN-FD, are simply beyond your current setup. GM models from 2019, BMW F and G chassis, Land Rover from 2017 onward. These are everyday vehicles sitting in driveways, and if your scanner cannot reach them fully, someone else is getting that work. That gap is real, and it keeps widening. Then everything changed when shops started running the Autel MaxiSYS MS906 PRO2 TS scanner. Don't just pick any automotive diagnostic scanner. Make sure it has full bidirectional control with ECU coding and native DOIP and CAN-FD support, so you never suffer through incomplete diagnostics on modern vehicles again. The MS906 PRO2 TS was built to close every one of those gaps in a single device. It handles over 15,000 models from 1996 through current releases, reads and clears across all systems, and gives you factory-level access without factory pricing. One tool, one workflow, no compromises on coverage or speed. This is the diagnostic upgrade that actually matches the vehicles pulling into your bay today. The real-world difference shows up immediately and keeps delivering. AutoScan 2.0 cuts full vehicle scan times dramatically, with GM scanning in under 8 seconds and BMW, Ford, VAG, and Chrysler completing in under 10. That alone changes how many vehicles you can process in a single shift. The TPMS coverage is genuinely comprehensive. Over 3,000 built-in relearn procedures, 99% sensor activation, 2 programming paths for MX sensor, and compatibility with BLE A001 Bluetooth sensors, including pre-programmed Tesla support that the older MS906 Pro TS simply cannot match. ECU coding runs at the same level as the Autel Ultra and MS919, covering online coding for 99% of mainstream vehicles and offline adaptation for Ford. A senior technician at a multi-bay independent shop described cutting diagnostic turnaround by nearly half after switching. One everyday user mentioned finally handling BMW F chassis coding in-house rather than referring out. Worried about the learning curve? The octa-core CPU, Android 10 OS, and 8-inch 1920 by 1200 display make navigation genuinely fast and intuitive. What system would you test first? The Autel MaxiSYS MS906 PRO2 TS scanner brings together full system diagnostics, factory-level ECU coding, comprehensive TPMS mastery, and over 3,000 bidirectional tests in one professional device, built for the vehicles on the road right now. Thousands of independent technicians and shop owners are already running it daily, with consistent results, and results will naturally vary based on vehicle make and workflow. If your current scanner is slowing you down or leaving coverage gaps, this is worth a serious look. Check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment, and take it from there at your own pace.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.